Hello and welcome to creating an appointment in A3. First off, we need to select our file number. This can be TBD, user defined, or you may have system generated options. Next up is the vessel. All of these are available in your vessel database. However, if one's not in there, you can simply create it on the fly. You also have the option to create companies and ports if any don't already exist. We'll input the voyage number, and then we're going to input the vessel controller, appointment principal. Where you see this red star, this means that it's a mandatory field, so must always be completed. Moving on down, we come into some details about how we do reporting in the system, and we can then enter arrive from and next port. This information will be reused when we come to create documentation, automatically completing it. Next up is the nominations, and this is where we input for our finance and our cargo. First off is the port, who the lead agent is, and the terminal. There's an option for sub-agency, but we'll cover this in another session. Our next item is who we'll be nominated by, and then we're going to move into who the principal is. This will be ultimately the paying party for this appointment. Moving on down, we come to the cargoes under the nomination, and we can input the shipper. You can also input the consignee and notify party. If they're completed now, that means they'll flow through to later documentation we'll be creating, such as the Congen bill. We can input our charter party description of goods, our estimated quantity of cargo, and then finally we've got cargo type. This is a mandatory field, and this is how we're able to report on cargo volumes for yourselves. The system's able to cope with multiple nominations as well. If we add an additional nomination here, and we'll say this one's going to be for husbandry, we can then create a separate DA and a separate set of documents that just relate to this nomination. You can also add multiple cargoes as well, or remove that minus sign. Once you're happy, you can choose to save or review the information. This will now take you out to the summary screen, and it will present an overview of your appointment. Thanks for watching.